football tag. Now, American football, as you can see, we're not playing soccer here. American football, the main thing is that the quarterback, the person who throws the ball, can throw the ball only one time, can do only one pass. So, there's no double passes or whatever, no, only one pass to try to score a touchdown. Let's see. Now, this is the defense, okay? This is the offense, okay? I'm playing blue team, I'm playing the offense, okay? Defense can tag the offense, tag, and you wait 3 seconds and you can't move, okay? You are blocked in some way. And
you have to wait till it's...
and go! I got that, catch the ball! Yes! Oh! 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippis. Now, wait, because what happened here? So, Agatha caught the ball, which is great, but Agatha, come here. She caught the ball, amazing, but then Alicia saw that, and she tagged her sister, tagged her. So, she had to drop the ball. Drop the ball.
1 Mississippi, 2
And now,
Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
Exactly. In football, if the ball is dropped, this is where we start again. So, offense, oh my God, we got like 4 meters. That's good. So we move up, up, and we start again at this new line. The line where we start is where the ball was dropped. So we got 4 meters, okay? If we continue this way, we'll be able to score a touchdown. Okay, so let me move the camera so you guys can see. Aha, we moved further. Ready? And go. Okay, go. Now they can tag me. Oh no! I got tagged! No! The quarterback can be tagged now. We're moving back. Oh, that's not good. We only have 1 chance to score a touchdown now. Can we do it? Okay, blue team. We have only 1 chance to score a touchdown, okay? So, what we're gonna do is...
Maybe she could go catch the ball.
I can hear you,
She can catch the ball.
Okay?
We could say that she's the one and we block the others.
Yes. Okay, you get
Good
blocked.
idea.
Okay, I pass to you. You run like the wind.
Okay.
Okay? Yes? Good?
Good.
Okay, perfect. And remember, when I'll throw the ball, I'll say, Clémence, catch the ball, okay? You catch, you run. Okay. Sounds good. Let's do it. Okay, position. Blue team. Wait, blue team. Hands in the middle. And 1, 2, 3, blue team. 1, 2, 3, blue team! Okay.
Wait, orange rules! Okay. 1, 2, 3, orange rules!
They did not even get it right. Okay, and hut! Go, Red! Oh! Touchdown! That's a touchdown. Excellent. The touchdown line was over there. She got the ball. She scored. Excellent. Okay. Now we scored a touchdown. But imagine we had 3 chances to do that. If we didn't succeed after the 3rd one, well, what would have happened is we would have switched team. Now we did score a touchdown, so no matter what.
Team rules!
Orange team is going to be the offense and we'll try to score. Blue team will do the defense. So remember now, they only have 1 pass. They can Heather here can only pass it to 1 person and see where the ball lands. See if they gain terrain or not. Okay.
Yes!
The tag! Oh! Touchdown for the orange team in 1 try. Wow. That's beautiful. Now, what happens is they score, so we switch again, okay?
6 points.
Perfect. And now, and let's see at the end of the game, at the end of maybe, 20, 30 minutes, let's see which team scored the most points. And that's football for you. Thanks.